So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Coca-Cola stock, ticker symbol KO in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your mobile device, I go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on the Discover screen, I go to the top and search ticker symbol KO. For Coca-Cola. So as you can tell right here, the top option, Coca-Cola Go, pressing that right there. Now to buy some shares of Coca-Cola, go to the bottom and press on buy, and then press on stocks. So as you can tell, the first screen is the fractional buy screen, but if you wanted to change that into a market buy, simply just press on fractional buy, and then you can select market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you guys want. But once that is done, press on the amount that you want to invest into Coca-Cola. So I'll just do $1 for this demonstration. Now keep in mind, if you are in the Wealthsimple app, this is in American dollars, so there will be a conversion afterwards into Canadian. By pressing on continue, and there you go. Now if you wanted to confirm your purchase for Coca-Cola, press confirm order at the bottom, but as you can tell, the cost is $1 USD, but the estimated cost in Canadian is $1.36, so just keep that in mind if you are buying an American stock here on Wealthsimple. But there you go. If you wanted to confirm order, press confirm order, and that is how you guys can buy Coca-Cola stock, ticker symbol KO in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.